Have you ever pondered the terror that a dragonfly might instill in the heart of a mosquito? Imagine for a moment being a small insect basking in the warm sunlight, only to be suddenly swept off your feet by a predator appearing seemingly out of nowhere. This is the reality for many a bug that crosses paths with the dragonfly. Dragonflies, with their iridescent wings and delicate, slender bodies, may not strike you as formidable predators. Yet, in the world of insects, they are fearsome hunters feared by many. Agile and swift, they dominate their environment, the air, with an efficiency that is frankly astonishing. The hunting process of a dragonfly is a masterclass of precision and speed. As an unsuspecting insect, one moment you're minding your own business, the next you find yourself locked in the gaze of a dragonfly. Before you can react, the dragonfly is upon you, its 6 spiny legs enveloping you in a deadly embrace. Unlike other insects, a dragonfly doesn't need to land to enjoy its meal. It consumes its prey in mid-flight. Imagine, if you can, the feeling of helplessness as you're carried off, trapped in the dragonfly's firm grip, destined to become a part of its next meal. Dragonflies are incredibly successful predators with a staggering catch rate of 95%. To put this in perspective, a lion, often considered the king of predators, has a success rate of just 20 to 25%. This alone paints a vivid picture of the dragonfly's predatory prowess. Their hunting skills are a testament to their excellent vision, speed, and precision. With eyes that cover most of their head, they can see almost 360 degrees around them. Nothing escapes their gaze. Their 4 wings beat independently, allowing them to hover, dart, and change direction in an instant, making them formidable airborne hunters. Now that we understand the terror the dragonfly instills in the insect world, it's easy to see why sporting a dragonfly brooch might be an effective natural insect repellent. To a mosquito or a fly, the silhouette of a dragonfly is a symbol of danger, a threat to be avoided at all costs. This natural fear that insects have for dragonflies can be a useful tool for us humans. By wearing a dragonfly brooch, we can harness this fear, creating a natural barrier against pesky insects without the need for chemical sprays or lotions. To sum up, the dragonfly, with its exceptional hunting skills, strikes fear into the hearts of insects. It's a potent predator capable of impressive feats of speed and precision. And by understanding their fearsome reputation, we can use it to our advantage, turning the dragonfly into a natural insect repellent. So the next time you see a dragonfly darting about in your garden, remember you're watching one of nature's most efficient predators in action. And maybe, just maybe, consider sporting a dragonfly brooch. After all, who wouldn't want a natural, chemical-free way to keep those pesky insects at bay?